welcome back everyone. Hope you're all good and well. And it's been a while since the last upload, but to be honest I haven't had much on, so just continuous ploughing, so I didn't want to record it every week because it gets a bit repetitive. So we're in the last field now. Well, I've got about this field behind me on the bank, got about 2 acres left of that. That shouldn't take me too long, but we're in the worst one of them all, I suppose, because it's where we had the ploughing match a couple months ago, so there's no easy way of going around it, so it's just easy to go straight over it, and by the looks of it, it's not doing too bad of a job really. So yeah, we had a sprinkle of snow, probably not as much as most places, but yeah, nothing to stop play. So yeah, it's Sunday, was it the 3rd of February, so yeah, so we're into February now. So yeah, so hopefully we'll get this field done, I don't know where I'm going in the next week or so, so it shouldn't take too long. So yeah, that's about it. Won't ramble on too much. Hopefully get the drone up, put the camera in some angles, and yeah, just get some nice shots. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you if I pick it up again or on the next video. Alright, thank you very much. Cheers.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me so alive. Dripping lights paint the skies, all be